In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord guild server. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, all you have to do is just go ahead and create a server if you haven't done so. Okay, now once you have your server, go ahead and open it up. And once done, go ahead and go to the top left and click on the server name. Okay, click on it and you should be able to see guild settings. Okay, now if you didn't know yet, guilds are a feature that is currently in testing and not available to all servers. Okay, if your server is part of an experiment or part of the Discord experiment, well, you'll see a notification will pop up, which is usually right here at the bottom, that says that you can convert your server into a guild. Okay, at the bottom, you just go ahead and click on check it out, and then you can go ahead and begin creating your guild. Okay, so we'll ask you what games or game do your guild play. Also, the play style, it could be hardcore, casual, very casual, or very hardcore, like so, and who's your target audience. Okay, select the region, or it could be unrated, all ranks, bronze or silver, depending on the game. For example, Valorant right here, as you can see. And then the minimum age, the traits, and you're gonna want to go ahead and tell people what your guild is about. Okay, and then at the bottom, tell the potential of your guild. And here's the fun part: you can go ahead and select your guild tag, or some might say guild badge. Now go ahead and hit on next. And at the very last part, you'll be able to customize your guild look. Okay, as you can see, you can change the guild color and the banner. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and add a question. If someone signs up to your guild, you can go ahead and ask maybe, why do we want our guild? Just hit on next. And then once done, you're good to go. All right, that's basically how you make a guild. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.